Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to make this gift bag with a brown paper. My name is Esther and I'm the creative director of Good News Catering and Events and also the founder of Good News Box. So for this gift bag, what will you need? You need your brown paper, you need the rope, you need the pinkish shred scissors, you need your U gum, and then the hole puncher. So let's get started. Fold your brown paper just like I am doing. The length that I used and the width is 20 inches by 28 inches, but whatever length or width is up to you, so you just determine it. Next up, add your U gum to the tip just like ½ inch, and then bring the other side and then gum it together. While you are trying to gum it together, make sure that the gum does not seal up your paper, and then straighten the paper on the side. This way you would have a flat paper. Next, you're going to divide the paper. So the measurement I used from this point to the other point is 5 inches. So you just divide it by 5 inches and then you fold it up and straighten it. After folding it up that way, you open up the brown paper and then you want to try to fold it. That's the bottom, so you put your hand inside just to open it up very well, and then you fold it just like I am doing. You do this on this side, make it flat, fold it very well, and you do same on the other side. Now make sure they are very straight and well folded flat. So the next thing to do now is to fold it up, because that is the bottom and we are actually trying to create the bottom. So you fold it up. After creating the bottom, the next thing now is to apply your U gum. Now at this point, when you are applying your U gum, please be mindful of the inside, because the moment you apply your U gum and you leave it for too long, the inside might just gum together with the flat fold. So you don't want to have a situation whereby after you open up your paper you discover that it is not open. Next, now you're going to be folding to this point. You fold the first side to that point. Make sure it is straight. You'll do the same on the other side. Now after folding both sides straight, now the middle point, that is the bottom, you're going to cut a brown paper to cover it up just for a neat finishing. So you cut the size for your bottom, apply the gum, and then you use it to close it up. It's now time to open up the brown paper bag. So you open it up and then we'll be folding it in. The reason for folding it in is so that it will be easy to pack if you are doing a large delivery. So you straighten up the edge just like I am doing. You do the same on the second part and then you fold in. So the midpoint will go in and then you fold neatly. Now turn to the other side and do the same. Fold it neatly to make it go flat. This will also help you to be able to pack it in case you are doing large delivery. Now our bag is almost ready. Next, you pick your pinkish red scissors. But if you don't have pinkish red scissors, it's fine. Your normal scissors will do. Is just to trim off the excess, and peradventure it is not well aligned, but I'm using these pinkish red scissors just to give it a nice and beautiful cut at the top. After you are done, pick up your hole puncher and then you perforate the hole where we'll be inserting the rope of the bag. I divided the bag into 3 to get the point for the hole. Next up, you take your rope and then insert it and tie it neatly. And here we go, our paper bag is ready. If you attended my cake topper class, then you would know how I made this happy birthday that is at the front of my paper bag. As you can see, it's so beautiful. And so our paper bag is ready. Thank you so much for joining this tutorial. I'd love to see your creation. Don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Good News Sketching and Events and at Good News Boards. For more enquiries and details of our other box classes, you can call or send a WhatsApp message to the number on the screen.